Alright, picture this. It's tea time, you're craving a snack, and you want something that's crispy, cheesy, and just a little bit addictive. Let me show you how to make the easiest, most irresistible corn cheese balls you've ever tasted. Get ready, because after this, your tea breaks will never be boring again. First up, gather your ingredients. You'll need sweet corn. I like to use frozen corn for convenience, but fresh works great too. Some grated mozzarella cheese, a handful of breadcrumbs, a little bit of all-purpose flour, chopped green chilies if you like it spicy, and of course, salt and pepper. Oh, and don't forget a pinch of mixed herbs for that extra zing. Start by blending your corn coarsely. Don't go for a smooth paste, you want those juicy bits. Add the corn to a mixing bowl, toss in your cheese, chilies, herbs, salt, and pepper, and mix it all up. Now add a spoonful of flour and just enough breadcrumbs to help everything stick together. The mixture should feel soft but not wet, like play dough. If it's too sticky, sprinkle in a bit more breadcrumb. Now for the fun part, shaping. Take a small portion, roll it between your palms, and form a neat little ball. Repeat until all your mixture is gone. If you want extra crunch, you can roll each ball in a little more breadcrumb before frying. Heat up some oil in a deep pan, enough for deep frying. Here's a tip drop in a tiny bit of mixture. If it sizzles and floats up, you're good to go. Carefully slide in your cheese balls, a few at a time. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them on medium heat until golden brown and crisp. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to take them out and place them on a paper towel to drain any extra oil. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Let your corn cheese balls cool for just a minute or two because the cheese inside is piping hot. Serve them up with your favorite chutney or a simple ketchup on the side. Trust me, the first bite where the cheese stretches and the corn pops is pure magic. So next time you're making tea, give these corn cheese balls a try. They're easy, crowd-pleasing, and guaranteed to make your snack game strong. Don't forget to let me know how they turned out. And hey, if you've got your own twist, drop it in the comments. I love hearing your snack secrets. Happy snacking.